Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable enhanced safe browsing in Chrome Canary on your mobile device. This feature adds an extra layer of protection against dangerous websites, downloads. First, open the Chrome Canary browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the drop-down menu, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Safe Browsing. You will see different protection levels available. Finally, choose Enhanced Protection. Once selected, your browser will provide faster and more proactive protection against harmful websites, phishing attempts, and suspicious downloads. Enabling enhanced protection improves your overall browsing safety and helps detect threats in real time. That's how you enable enhanced safe browsing in Chrome Canary on mobile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.